RGB LED strip light review coming your way right now. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Micomlan 27 meter RGB LED strip lights with app control and remote control. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here where we can learn more about this product. It features 540 LEDs between the two included reels of strip lights. I've reviewed other sizes of their products on my channel as well, so you can definitely find the right product for your need. Be sure to check out some of those videos. Now let's go ahead, let's open this up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a customer contact card followed by our user guide and manual. We can open that up to reveal all of our product information, QR code to download the Lotus Lantern app 2 to use the RGB strip lights with your mobile device, whether that's iOS or Android. We can flip it over to the backside. We can learn more about the app and how to use everything. We also have our product specs on the backside for you. And you can see right here, 40,000 hours is the rated lifespan. With their customer service and contact email, you can also reach out to them on Facebook Messenger. Here's our power supply. You can see 24 volt, 1.5 amps. Here's a kit full of all of our different mounting options, cable management options, and adhesive backing if we want to attach the LED controller. So we have some clips with screws, with sticky backs. We have a couple different connectors as well too if you want to splice them back together if you have to make any cuts. Here's the LED controller, DC 12 to 24 volt, made in China. This is where you're gonna adhere the 3M adhesive to. Here it is from the other side. It resembles a smiley face with our 3 buttons. And our nose is our IR controller, our IR receiver right there. If you want to use remote control, just make sure you point it at that nose right there. Here's the end we're going to plug in to our power supply. Here's the 2 ends we're going to plug into the 2 included RGB LED strip light reels. Next up, you can see the remote control. All the different options from on and off to color to brightness settings, more color options, music options at the bottom. We can flip it over to the back side. You can see the remote control. Just pull this plastic tab out to release it to activate the battery so you can start using it. And then you can see we have the strip light reels themselves right here. They're identical to each other. You can see the spacing of the LEDs right there. You can see right here on the strip, that's where if we want, we can cut these. If you want to cut off the extra of your strip light, you can do that. Just make sure you cut it right along that line and you have the included adapters if you want to attach them back together. These also are available to use the adhesive backing on the lights themselves. Just make sure you just peel off this piece to get to the right adhesive if you want to install them. And here's the second reel, again, identical to the first one. You can see that right there. Now let's go ahead, let's get these set up. So now you can see I got the lights plugged in and powered on. We can use the controller right here if we want to adjust the light settings depending on what we're interested in trying to accomplish right here. We have a couple different controls where we can really tweak those settings. But you may also notice now I have the app downloaded on our mobile device. This also works with the eHome app, so you can use either app if you want to control these lights. This is the screen you're going to be at once you have the app downloaded. You do not need to create an account, profile, or anything else like that. This also uses Bluetooth to connect to your device, and it does it automatically. So you can just kind of swipe over to the left and you can manage your devices right here. So you can see we have our My Devices tab, and there you go. You can see we have the strip connected right now. So let's go back to our main setting on the screen right here. You can see I can turn them on or off. Now let's look in the top right-hand corner at the settings. So you can see we have our guide. If you lose the user guide manual, you can reference it right from within the app. We have a shake mode we can turn on. So we can shake our mobile device and you can see the colors change. We have a modify pin sequence option right here. And then we have, last but not least, you can see an about section for this item. And you can get to that settings option in the top right-hand corner, or you can just swipe over to the right. And again, you can see we can swipe to the left as well. Now you can see the color wheel on it. We can change a bunch of colors. We can look at the color wheel at the top and we can cycle through different modes for it. We have an RGB chart. We can actually enter manual values if we want. Select OK. Then you can see we have more options at the bottom down here. So first up, let's look at the schedule tab in the bottom right-hand corner. We can turn our schedule on and off. We can choose the time. So select the hour, minute, AM, PM. And then the days of the week you want everything to power on. And then we can schedule them to come off. Same thing, choose your time. Hour, minute, AM, PM, select OK, and choose the days of the week you want it to shut off. Now let's go ahead, let's go back out to the adjustment page. Let's turn off the studio lights and let's look at the lights in more detail. So now you can see we got the lights turned off right here, and we can cycle through some of those colors again really quickly for you. You can see all the different colors right there. Very nice. We can adjust the brightness too for those colors just with our finger. Nice slider right there. We can adjust the brightness. We can swap colors too. So you can see the different color choices and options we have at the bottom with our presets. We can go to our white mode. You can see the different white options we have. Then we can adjust with our darker white black mode right there. Then we have some classic colors at the bottom too. You can see the classic colors we have. We'll cycle through those for a second. And now we can look at the next feature. It's the style tab. And you can see we have a bunch of different options right here. So we have a bunch of different static colors. We'll cycle through those. You can choose whatever color you want. And the colors look really nice. Very bright and vivid with all of the LED lights that we have. Then we have some jumping color changes. So you can see those options. And again, we can adjust the speed and the brightness for these style options and scenes. Then we have the crossfade. You can see the different crossfade options we have. I personally love the 7-color crossfade. That's my favorite style. Gradual change now. And again, don't forget we can adjust the speed of everything. So you can see we can slow it down. It can be really gradual. Then we have our crossfades, switching between multiple colors. So we're doing a red-green crossfade. Perfect for the holidays. And then we have our strobe flashes. Again, you can adjust the speed for everything. Tons of color options for the flash. And then you can see we're back to our static colors right here. The next option we can look at is the music option. You can see we have some included songs that we can play back from the mobile app. And you'll see the lights will sync to those songs. So they're syncing to those songs right now. And then the next option we have is our mic. And this is great. This is another music mode if you ask me, because we can play music or content from our TV. It can pick up the audio and sync the lights to everything. So it's syncing to my voice right now using the disco mode. We have the dynamic mode. So you can see we have a soft mode and a classic mode for this. And again, we can adjust the sensitivity at the bottom. So now let me go ahead, let's play a song and let's try it out. So we got a song playing right now in the classic mode. You can see how it's responding. Soft mode. Dynamic mode. And disco. Honestly, guys, my final thoughts are as follows. If you're in the market for budget-friendly RGB lights and you don't need all of the fancy features on the market today like voice control, Wi-Fi connection, or RGB IC technology where you can individually choose the colors on the strip lights, then you definitely want to check these out. The value is there, the price per LED is there, the quantity and quality that you get for these strip lights, you'll be hard pressed to find a better option on the market today. Again, with those compromises, right? So there's no Wi-Fi, there's no voice control, there aren't advanced scheduling features like a wake up in a sleep mode or anything like that. And again, no individualized control. But again, if you don't need those features, that would be the stuff I'd want to see added in the future, but that's going to increase the price point. So if you're looking for just some simple lights to maybe spice up the kitchen, entertainment center, your desk, streaming setup, gaming rig, whatever, then you definitely want to check these lights out. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.